Hey, science fans, it's your old pal back again with another dose of mind-blowing facts. Get ready to explore the wonders of the natural world, from the incredible resilience of cockroaches to the cosmic cocktail parties happening in space. We're about to embark on a journey that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Okay, picture this. A cockroach minding its own business loses its head. Tragic, right? Well, not so fast. These hardy critters can actually survive for up to a week without their heads, it's true. They have clusters of nerve tissue spread throughout their bodies, allowing them to function even without a brain directing traffic. Octopuses, those masters of disguise and escape, are already pretty amazing, but did you know they have 3 hearts? That's right, 3. 2 of these hearts are dedicated to pumping blood to their gills, those feathery organs they use to breathe underwater. The 3rd heart, that one's for the rest of the body, keeping things running smoothly. Ever heard of something being too hot and too cold at the same time? Well, water can actually boil and freeze simultaneously. It happens at a very specific temperature and pressure called the triple point. At this point, water exists as a solid ice, a liquid water, and a gas, steam, all at once. It's a mind-bending example of how matter can behave in unexpected ways. Chapter 4, Space Burps, not gonna happen. We've all been there. A big meal, maybe a little too much soda, and suddenly you're letting out a satisfying burp. But in the vast emptiness of space, that simple act is impossible. Why? Gravity. It's gravity that helps separate the gas from the liquids and solids in our stomachs, allowing us to burp. Without it, everything just mixes together. So if you ever find yourself in space, maybe skip the beans. Chapter 5. Berries, bananas, and botanical betrayals. Time for a fruity fact that might make you question everything. Strawberries, those juicy red delights, aren't actually berries at all. Botanically speaking, a berry has its seeds on the inside. Strawberries have their seeds on the outside, which disqualifies them. But here's the kicker: bananas are berries. They fit the botanical definition perfectly. Chapter 6, DNA, the ultimate journey. The human body is a marvel of intricate systems, and at the heart of it all is DNA, our genetic blueprint. But here's a thought that's truly mind-boggling. If you unraveled all the DNA in your body, it would stretch over 6 billion kilometers. That's long enough to reach Pluto, our dwarf planet friend way out in the Kuiper Belt, and come all the way back. It's true. You've got a whole lot of DNA packed into every cell. Chapter 7. The coldest desert on Earth. When we think of deserts, images of scorching sand dunes and sweltering heat usually come to mind. But did you know the largest desert on Earth is actually Antarctica? It's true. Deserts are defined by their lack of precipitation, their dryness, not just their temperature. Antarctica, despite being covered in ice, receives very little precipitation, making it a vast frozen desert. Chapter 8. A toast to the cosmos. Calling all space enthusiasts and cocktail connoisseurs, astronomers have discovered a giant cloud of alcohol floating around in space, about 10,000 light-years away. And when I say giant, I mean it. This cloud is 1,000 times larger than our entire solar system. Sadly, it's not the kind of alcohol we can drink, but it's still a fascinating example of the strange and wonderful things we can find out there in the cosmos. Chapter 9. The curious case of cubed poop. Let's talk about wombats for a minute, those adorable Australian marsupials. They're known for their burrowing skills and their incredibly cute faces, but they also have a rather unique claim to fame. Their poop is cube-shaped. Why? It all comes down to marking their territory. The cube shape prevents their poop from rolling away, making it much more effective as a territorial marker. Chapter 10. Your stomach, the ultimate recycling center. Our stomachs are amazing. They churn and break down food using powerful acids to extract nutrients, but those acids are so strong they could actually digest the stomach itself. To prevent this, our stomachs have a remarkable trick up their sleeve. They constantly renew their lining. Every 3 to 4 days, a brand new lining is generated, ensuring the stomach can continue its important work without, well, digesting itself. Outro, keep exploring. Isn't science amazing? These facts are just the tip of the iceberg. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned for more incredible facts.